Today, we will introduce the bean geese, a migratory bird that descends on Japan in the winter. As its name suggests, this bird, which feasts on the fruits of the water chestnut plant, boasts a dignified appearance with a total length of 85 to 95 centimeters. In particular, the subspecies, the greater bean geese, has a modest yet powerful charm like a wild samurai, and has captured the hearts of many birdwatchers. The main wintering grounds for the bean geese are Izunuma in Miyagi Prefecture, Fukushimagata in Niigata Prefecture, Lake Kasumigaura in Ibaraki Prefecture, and Lake Biwa in Shiga Prefecture, and about 20,000 birds migrate to Japan every year. Their numbers are smaller than those of the same species of goose, the bar-headed geese, about 200,000, making them even more precious. The behavior of the bean geese, such as eating the roots of wild rice while covered in mud, has earned them the nickname Numataro from people in the past. Migration studies have revealed that the greater bean goose subspecies breeds on the Kamchatka Peninsula and travels to its wintering grounds via the Sarabetsu moorland in Hokkaido. Winter is just around the corner. Why not visit the bean goose's wintering grounds and experience their powerful way of life? Don't forget to dress warmly and enjoy the charms of nature to the fullest.